Let's listen to the short story The Family App by Oxford Reading University, Level A2.
Anna comes from Germany. She is 20 years old and loves art. Carlos is from Spain. He is 21 years old and plays soccer. Mia is from China. She is 19 years old and wants to be a chef. Raj is from India. He is 22 years old and likes computers. They meet at a summer camp in Italy. The camp is for young people from many countries who want to learn about the world. The camp is near a big lake with green hills, old trees, and bright flowers. One day, the camp gives a new app called Family Connect. The teacher is a quiet man with glasses and dark hair. He gives phones to everyone. He says the app uses artificial intelligence to show your family at home so that you feel not homesick and happy. The campers are excited and take phones quickly to try it. Anna starts first. She opens Family Connect on her phone and sees her small house in Berlin. Her mum cooks dinner with big potatoes. Her dad sings a funny song with a loud voice. Anna smiles and feels warm inside her heart. She thinks this feels good and close to home. Carlos sits next to her. He likes Anna's red hair that shines and her gentle smile that calms him. "Can I help you with the app?" he asks softly. Anna says yes, and they sit closer together. They talk together about their families. Carlos tells about his life in Madrid, saying, "I miss my brother who loves video games and runs fast." Anna touches his arm with kindness. "I miss mine too. I miss my young brother who likes books and draws," she says. A strange feeling grows between them. It is not love, but a deep connection that feels new and mysterious. Mia tries next. She opens the app and sees her family in Beijing. Her dad reads a big book with old pages. Her little sister draws pictures with bright colors. Mia laughs and calls Raj over. "Look at this," she says with joy. Raj comes close and leans in. He likes Mia's black eyes that sparkle and her quiet voice that calms him. "Your family is nice to see and warm," he says. Mia smiles back and feels glad that she has friends like Raj. That night, they gather by the lakeside with a warm fire. The air turns cold and dark, and suspense begins. Raj uses Family Connect. He sees his parents in Mumbai. First it looks good. His mum cooks rice with spices. His dad reads a newspaper with news. Then a strange man in dark clothes shows up. He talks to Raj's dad with anger, sayings, "Give me money, or you tell all your family secrets." Raj feels afraid, and sweat covers his face. "What is going on?" he thinks in panic, with racing heart. Anna walks with Carlos by the lake. Dark water gleams under the bright moon. Carlos says, "You make me feel strange in my heart like a family member." Anna laughs sweetly and hugs him tight. It is an odd romance that feels calm, but weird. They notice a special bond that is deep. Next morning, Mia opens the app and screams loud. Her mum cries in tears with sad face. Her brother packs bag and leaves the house with anger. "Why does it show this bad things?" she says with shock. Raj says it watches us. The app takes our family secrets and hides cameras in phones. All campers feel scared and angry. Who created this dangerous thing? A big twist comes out. The teacher is not real. He is a hacker with bad plans and cold eyes. He made the app for money. He takes family data and sells it to criminals. The campers run fast to call police with their phones and loud voices. The hacker tries to escape. But Anna finds a note that he left behind. It says Carlos is her half-brother from her dad's side. She shows it to Carlos, and they are stunned and confused with open mouths. Police arrive with sirens and catch the hacker. The camp ends quietly with sad faces. Anna, Carlos, Mia, and Raj talk together. Family is important, but can be hard and surprising. Technology makes life easy, but also dangerous. They make a plan to meet again next summer to be better friends and help each other with strong hearts.
Send this story to a friend who likes free audiobooks. And now, check out another awesome video